Convert an online clip to an offline clip. So let's say I'm working and I have these two particular files and I don't need these other two clips. So I don't need this one, so I can just right click on it and I can go and say make offline. And I want to usually keep media files remain on the disk. This way I don't delete the original media file. I'll say OK. And notice it puts a little question mark there. All right. So, and then this one here, I believe this is my, this is the one we're not using right here. So I could right click. I could say make offline. I'll say OK. All right. And now they're just question marks, essentially. Okay. At any time, if I wanted to bring them back, right, I could just pick on them and I can go to link media. And it says, where do you want this? And then I can come in here and say, oh, well, I can locate that. And then I can come down here and give me a little more room here. I can say, it's in that folder right there. I'll say, okay. And boom, it came back. So this one is still offline. This one I brought back. So this is how we convert an online clip to an offline clip and then actually bring it back. So this is making offline.